In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp in just 5 minutes. ClickUp is an incredibly powerful project management tool designed to help you organize your tasks, collaborate with your team, and streamline your workflow all in one place. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser, head over to ClickUp's website, and log in using your account credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, make sure to sign up so you can access all the fantastic features ClickUp has to offer. Once you're logged in, we're going to focus on setting up your workspace. Your workspace is like the control center, where you manage all your projects and coordinate your team's efforts efficiently. Spend a moment deciding on a suitable name and structure that matches your needs. This sets the tone for how you'll navigate through your tasks and collaborations. Next, if you're working in a team, it's time to invite your teammates to join you in ClickUp. Collaborating with colleagues can greatly enhance productivity, allowing everyone to be on the same page. You can easily send invites through the platform, adding team members who can contribute to or manage specific projects. This step is crucial for maximizing the collaborative potential of ClickUp. Now, let's get organized using spaces, folders, and lists. Spaces act as overarching containers for different projects or departments within your organization. Under each space, you can create folders to further categorize your projects and lists to break them down into individual task categories. This hierarchical method allows you to maintain a clear and structured view of your projects, making it easier to track progress and manage tasks effectively. Take a few moments to thoughtfully arrange your spaces and folders based on the type of work you're handling. Once you've got your basic structure in place, it's time to start adding tasks. Tasks are the building blocks in ClickUp where you'll detail the specific actions needed to complete your projects. Efficient task management requires careful consideration of task titles, descriptions, due dates, and S&Es. Ensure that each task is clear and concise, with all the necessary information to facilitate easy understanding and execution. You can also customize tasks with tags and priorities to manage them even more effectively. To finish up, let's explore how to use views to manage your tasks dynamically. Views are an incredibly versatile feature in ClickUp, allowing you to switch between different ways of displaying your tasks, such as list view, board view, akin to Kanban boards, Gantt charts, and more. Each view offers unique benefits depending on your project needs and personal preferences. So take some time to explore and choose the ones that best suit your style. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to get started with ClickUp. By setting up your workspace, inviting your team, organizing your tasks, and using views, all within ClickUp's flexible platform, you can revolutionize how you manage projects and collaborate with your team. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.